Welcome you all to Maths College. Good morning all of you my dear student. We are going to today start the lesson Arithmetic Progression part 3 about sum of nth term of the number sequence. How to find what are the uses formula. Okay, look at the board. Sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Here, when considered in an example 2, 4, 6, we have to find sum of three terms. What is? We can addition to each. 2 addition 4, 6, 6 addition 6, 12. But if you have n terms, how to sum? Yes, we can use the formula for that. What is the formula? When we have first term and last term also, we can use this formula. You have to keep your mind to solving the problem like this. Sn equal n upon 2 into a plus l. N upon 2 into a plus l. What is Sn? Sn means sum of the nth term. N is number of terms and A, you know, A is first term and L is last term. That means if you know first term and last term of the number sequence, you can take sum by using this formula. Okay, if you have n terms, that means we don't know what is the last term. How to find sum of n terms? Let's go next step. Okay, we learned as a last formula when we know first term and last term. But if we don't know what is the last term, what we have to use? Look at the board. Sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression, we can use this formula. We don't know what is the last term. Sn equal n upon 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is? N upon 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? Like previous one, Sn means sum of n terms. Simple, n is number of terms, a is first term, d is common difference. That means we have to find sum of n terms, we have to know number of terms, first term and also common difference. Okay, now we are going to solve in this problem related with this formula. Okay, we are going to first example. Find the sum of first 14 term of arithmetic projections 4, 8, 12. I told to you, find the answer before we have to write what are the data. What are the data here? A equal 4, D equal how to find when considering two consecutive numbers 8 and 4. 8 subtraction 4 is 4. N is 14 because we have to find sum of 14 terms. Because S14 the question mark. Now we have to use what is? We don't know last term because we have to use second formula of learn today. Sn equal n upon 2 within bracket 2a addition n minus 1d. S14, what is n? N is 14 upon 2, a is 4, addition n is 14, subtraction 1, d is 4, close the bracket. 14 upon 2 is 7, 2 into 4, 8, 14 subtraction 1, 13, multiply 4. Now 7 within bracket 8, 13 into 4, 52. Now 7 within bracket mean multiply 8 addition 52 is what is 60. Answer is 420. That means accordingly this number sequence sum of first 14 terms equal to 420. Okay, we can go next example. Okay, we have second question. Find the sum of arithmetic progression 70, 66, 62, 58 dot 2. That means we have what is here. We know last term and also first term, but we don't know what is here. How many terms? How many terms? A equals 70, D equals 66, subtraction 70 equal minus 4, L is 2. We have to find Sn, but we don't know what is n. What we have to do? My dear student, we have to use first formula we learned last video. What is Tn? I will write here Sn equal n upon 2 A addition L. We have to find this one, A known terms, L known terms, but this one also unknown term. We have to find this. What to do? We have to use this formula. Tn equal what is A addition n plus n minus 1 into D. My dears, we know last term. That means if we find what terms of the last term, which term of the last term, okay, then we can decide how many terms here. Tn is 2, A is 70. We have to find which term of these two, n. D is minus 4. Now this 70 take left side to this plus 70 as a minus 70. Minus 4 multiply plus n minus 4n. Minus 4 minus 1 plus 4. Now here what is answer? Minus 68 minus 4n addition 4. This plus 4 also take left side, minus 68 minus 4 minus 4n. Now here minus 72 minus 4n. When divide by minus 4 both sides, minus 4 to minus 4 cancel, n equal 72 divided by 4. What is answer? For 7, how many times? 4, 1 time. 3 left. 3 and 2, 32. 32 divided by 4. What is? 8. That means n is 18. That means 2 is. That means last term is 18th term. That means this number sequence has 18 terms. Now we know what is n. Now we can apply these all data for this formula. Okay. Now we know what is n. N is 18 because n is known term. Now we can apply for this formula this all data. N is 18, 18 upon 2, A is 70, L is 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. Here multiply 70 addition to 72. 9 multiply 2, 18. 1 left. 9 multiply 7, 63. With 1, 64. 648 is 18th term. That means sum of these arithmetic progressions is 648. Okay, today we learned what is sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression. When we know first term and last term, we can use first formula on the board. Sn equal n upon 2 within bracket a addition L. Sn equal n upon 2 into a addition L. When we don't know what is the last term, but we know common difference first term and what is the term, which terms we know, we can use the second formula Sn equal n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, my dear student, I will hope solving the problems some of these by using these both formulas of next video related to arithmetic progressions lesson grade 10, because today lessons is over. I wish all of you to have good future. Before then I remember for you, please subscribe our video channel Maths College and share these all lessons with your friends. Goodbye all of you.